Welcome to FluentEase English. In this lesson, you'll learn 20 common English adjectives. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and answer the questions. Let's begin. Basic adjectives. Big, big, big. Big means large in size. The elephant is big. What animal is big? The elephant. Small, small, small. Small means little in size. The mouse is small. What animal is small? The mouse. Long, long, long. Long means not short. She has long hair. What does she have? Long hair, short, short, short. Short means not long. He has short arms. What does he have? Short arms, tall, tall, tall. Tall means high in height. The tree is tall. What is tall? The tree. Young, young, young. Young means not old. The boy is young. Who is young? The boy. Old, old, old. Old means not young. My grandfather is old. Who is old? My grandfather. Good, good, good. Good means nice or right. This cake is good. What is good? The cake. Bad, bad, bad. Bad means not good. The weather is bad today. What is bad today? The weather. New, new, new. New means just made or bought. I have a new phone. What do I have? A new phone. More adjectives. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful means very pretty. The flowers are beautiful. What are beautiful? The flowers. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Ugly means not beautiful. That building looks ugly. What looks ugly? That building. Strong, strong, and strong. Strong means having power. He is a strong man. Who is strong? He is weak. Weak, weak. Weak means not strong. The old man feels weak. Who feels weak? The old man. Fast, fast, fast. Fast means quick or speedy. The car is fast. What is fast? The car. Slow, slow, slow. Slow means not fast. The turtle is slow. What is slow? The turtle. Clean, clean, clean. Clean means not dirty. My hands are clean. What are clean? My hands. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Dirty means not clean. The shoes are dirty. What are dirty? The shoes. Hot, hot, hot. Hot means having high temperature. The soup is hot. What is hot? The soup. Bold, bold, bold. Cold means having low temperature. The water is cold. What is cold? The water. Excellent job. You learned 20 useful adjectives to describe people and things. Listen again, repeat many times, and speak naturally. Subscribe to FluentEase English for more fun lessons. See you in the next video.